time once again for the Law and You. Joining us today, we have attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ciarimboli. So nice to have you both back in studio.
Hopefully we can answer this question.
Yeah, hopefully.
It was a mess.
I hope that today's a little bit easier than
You
yesterday.
guys are trying to stump us out
Let's get
there.
it together here. Okay, today's free legal advice. We're answering a question from Vince in Hazleton. Vince says, I work for an auto repair shop and cut off the tip of my thumb at work. I haven't worked in a few days and no one has told me my rights. What should I do? He should file a claim.
Vince, we got this one. This one's easy.
Yeah.
Pick up the phone and call us. So there's a couple of things that you're going to need to do. I mean, obviously you're going to have a workers' compensation claim. Cutting off the tip of your thumb is also going to be a specific loss. Nice. You may also have some issues with your hand. But the other thing that you need to do is send some preservation letters out to make sure that the facility that you work at doesn't do anything with the machine that cut off your finger, because there may be a products liability case in there as well, and you want to get that inspected. So all very important things to do immediately.
Yeah, these work injury cases are important to make sure you get counsel involved early, because a lot of different things can be happening on that job site, and a lot of times you need the right legal advice. Sometimes the companies aren't forthcoming with the information, like in this situation, so you have a lot of legal rights, and you should be covered by workers' comp, and all your legal rights should be explained to you, and I think it's good to pick up the phone and call us. We can gladly help you with that.
Absolutely.
That sucks about his thumb, though. Bummer.
It happens a lot. You'd be surprised how much these people out in the work field.
Yikes.
Yeah.
We've had fingers, arms, it's
Hands.
bad.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's...
At least there is compensation out there for them, and you guys will
absolutely.
fight for them.
We
Absolutely.
will. We've done a lot of good work for people who've been injured on the job. So
Yeah.
please give us a call. We'd love to help you out.
Yeah, and stop in at one of their locations, find them online, social media. If you have questions for the Law and You can go to pahomepage.com or you can give the hotline a call.